Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a review of the Circular Ring 2. The Circular Ring 2 is a high-tech leap for the brand, successfully addressing the durability and battery issues of its predecessors, while introducing a medical-grade features like FDA-cleared ECG and AFib detection. Its standout is that it is a subscription-free model, offering deep AI-driven insights through its Kira Assistant and without the monthly fees required by Aura. The new titanium build feels premium and robust, and the inclusion of a portable charging case similar to the Galaxy Ring makes maintaining its 4 to 7 day battery life effortless. However, while the hardware is top tier, the companion app still suffers from occasional sync lag and a cluttered interface that can feel overwhelming compared to the polished simplicity of its rivals. It Overall, it is the best choice for data nerds who want advanced heart health monitoring and maximum metrics without recurring costs.